Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Lucid stock. Should you invest? Should you hold? It has enormous upside potential, but it also does come with a lot of execution risk. We are going to be talking about should you sit on the sidelines or should you be investing in Lucid stock? These are my opinions only. But before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, I do have the best free promotions right now. I can get you a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. Open an account, put in $100. That free Lucid stock is yours. In addition to this, Moomoo is also giving my viewers up to 5 free additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Get your free chance of getting $17,500 in free stocks. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about the Lucid stock as it has had a roller coaster of a month. For the past 1 month since January, we have traded and hit a high, a resistance of about $45 with a low of about $26 in this stock. We have now in the past 5 days been trading about $26 to $30. So we are starting to see a stabilization at $26 and a resistance of $30 right now. The relative strength index of Lucid stock right now is running around 33. Anything below 30 means it is oversold. So we are nearing that very term that this stock is oversold, especially with all the volatility that we have seen in this stock. In my own opinion, I do believe that Lucid Motors can have a huge upside potential if we do get some very good news in the coming few weeks. Now, the biggest date to put on your calendar is going to be February 21st or in the next couple of weeks that we should get the earnings report from Lucid Group, and they will be definitely talking about their balance sheets. So I am looking to see how much money have they raised, how much money or revenue did they get from the vehicles that they sold in 2021. We also will see the huge delivery number if Lucid Group met its goal and its deadline of 520 vehicles for the year 2021. This will be a key telling point if they can mass produce their vehicles, especially for this year, the year 2022. As you know, Lucid Motors does have a goal for this year to make 20,000 of its electric Lucid Air luxury vehicles. Will they meet that demand? We definitely know and have heard from several companies, including Tesla, that there are going to be a lot of supply chain issues and a lot of chip shortages this year and potentially in the next year, 2023. So that will be a huge hurdle for Lucid to overcome, and we'll definitely have to see what they will do. So next, I did want to talk about some of the major reasons why Lucid Motors, in my opinion, will succeed and has a very nice future ahead of itself. The first one is it has a superior management team. The roster of the Lucid team is enormous, and talking about the management, it is led by Peter Rawlinson, the former Tesla chief engineer of the Tesla Model S vehicle. Peter Rawlinson actually worked for Tesla, and before that, he did work for Jaguar and Lotus. He's very familiar with vehicles and has been in the automotive industry for such a long time, but he does come with a lot of seasoned executives that have a huge background in automotive, EV, and technology. In my own opinion, I do believe that the Lucid management team has a very strong roster. You definitely see a lot of big executive names. You'd see a lot of former Tesla employees, but also a lot of experienced car companies such as Audi, Volkswagen, Mazda, just to name a few. But you are also seeing a lot of technology companies, a lot of executives coming from Apple. You see a lot of executives from Intel and also Cisco. So definitely a big compilation of seasoned executives with very enormous backgrounds in the electric vehicle space in technology. In my opinion, these executives have a very good chance of propelling the Lucid Group stock and its company into the future to have very nice, prosperous earnings. And I definitely believe that this company will succeed. The second very big reason why I do believe that Lucid Motors will succeed into the future and in the electric vehicle space is its technology. Lucid Motors has perfected and has the best energy efficient electric vehicle on the market, and it can be definitely seen with its efficiency. The Environmental Protective Agency, EPA, evaluated the Lucid Air Dream and found it to be the most energy efficient vehicle in the planet. It did show that it has the longest battery range in one single charge of 520 miles beating out its previous longest range holder, which was the Tesla Model S, by over 100 miles in its valuation. Now, when you do compare Lucid Motors and a lot of the competition out there, you can definitely see that Lucid Motors is clearly the winner when it comes to efficiency. It has the longest battery range out of any vehicle, but not only this, it is the most energy efficient when you do compare it to the miles per kilowatt hour driven. Right now, the Lucid Air comes in at over 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour, second becoming the Tesla Model S long range edition, which is about 4 miles per hour. But then when you do compare it to the German rivals, they are the least energy efficient at about 2.4, 2.3 miles per kilowatt hour with a Porsche and the Audi, and Rivian coming in dead last at about 2.2 miles per kilowatt hour. So according to this graph, it does show that the most energy hungry vehicle is the Rivian, the least energy hungry vehicle is the Lucid, meaning that you can go more miles on a kilowatt hour with this vehicle, showing that it has the best electric vehicle technology in its realm. Now, Lucid Motors is also looking into the future for potential growth and revenue. They are having opportunities to extend beyond making just vehicles. They are also looking into energy storage systems and being a technology supplier to other electric vehicles in this space. As you know, Lucid Motors previously did work and is currently working with Premier Electric Vehicle Racing Series, the Formula One Electric Series, by making its battery available to this. And it is going to be also supplying this to other companies as well. So far, they are making in-house technology, and it is starting to mass produce this. Once it gets the Lucid Air Dream up and running, it will start selling this to other companies as well, potentially giving it applications to aviation, military, heavy machinery, agriculture, and the marine life. Now that we've talked about the positives and the reasons why I believe that Lucid Motors will succeed, I did want to talk about, on the other hand, things that are going to be big risks for Lucid stock LCID for the short term and also the long term. Short term, there are going to be some risks because the Fed is talking about increasing the interest rates, fighting the inflation. This will definitely be bad for Lucid stocks and a lot of the EV and technology stocks, as I do believe Lucid Motors is a technology company. The increasing the federal interest rates will definitely put down a lot of downward pressure because it will make it a lot harder for Lucid to raise money, and especially needs a lot of money to build its vehicles. Now, fighting that inflation is just going to be temporary. So let's look at the long-term potential risks, and that is going to be execution risks. Is Lucid Motor going to be able to execute and mass produce its vehicles? This year alone, 2022, they are going to be making 20,000 of its Lucid Air sedans. Are they going to be able to meet this demand? Are they going to be able to do this? We'll also see in its earnings reports how many vehicles were delivered in the year 2021. Did they meet that deadline of 520 Lucid Air Dream Edition vehicles? We'll definitely have to see. If they did not meet this, I definitely think that this stock could definitely go down less than $20 in my opinion. The other long-term risks are battery chain supply issues and chip shortages. We do know and have heard from Tesla and other electric vehicle makers and other car companies that there are supply chain issues in this space. So this could definitely put a lot of downward pressure on Lucid stock. So always please do your own due diligence, your own research in this stock. But right now there are going to be a lot of bumpy roads up ahead. And definitely, if you are in for the long ride, in my opinion, if you are a long-term investor and have patience with Lucid stock, I do believe that this will make a lot of people a lot of nice returns and multiple baggers for this stock, in my opinion. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, I do have that free Lucid stock for you right now. Use my link down below to Moomoo, open an account, put in $100. That free Lucid stock is yours. But in addition to this, my viewers will get up to 5 free additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Don't forget a chance to get $17,500 in free stocks. My viewers so far have written me that they received Tesla, Netflix, Amazon, Apple, and Lucid stocks. Don't forget to get your free stocks. Also, Webull does offer my viewers 3 potentially stocks, each valued up to $2,300. In addition to this, I do have nice promotions down below to crypto.com, which is giving my viewers $25 just for signing up to crypto.com. And also, Coinbase is giving my viewers $10 a Bitcoin if you put in $100 or more. Take advantage of these huge opportunities. But again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay warm, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.